Optiweigh is an in-paddock weighing solution. It's not a walk-over weigher, it's one that the cattle just walk up to voluntarily. You just plop it in the paddock, anywhere in the paddock, preferably near some water, and the cattle will come to it, attracted by a lick block, stand on it and basically weigh themselves. Having that information then helps you get better meat market specifications, and it also helps better monitor weight gains and take action to improve weight gains before you'd see it otherwise. It's all connected to the cloud, whether you have 3G service or if you don't, then satellite like this unit.